Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into a captivating term that is considered a dessert. A delightful treat featuring a tangy lemon filling topped with a fluffy stuff. Well, how do we say its name correctly? We may pronounce it as lemon meringue pie, lemon meringue pie, lemon meringue pie, lemon meringue pie. Lemon meringue pie is often enjoyed at family gatherings, holiday dinners, and summer picnics, making it a versatile dessert that can brighten up any occasion. Isn't it fascinating how breaking down a word can make it clearer? If you enjoyed learning about lemon meringue pie, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.